Hello and welcome to Chrome Computing. In this video, we'll be looking at the new Tote feature that has been released. It is released as not completely put into the operating system from Chrome OS 89, but now it's been released, so it's no longer a temporary or experimental thing. It is now part of Chrome OS. It's a strange name, Tote, but what it essentially means is if you look down here, your recent files will be saved there. Now, personally speaking, before we get into how it works, I just don't like the look of it. I think it looks, it sounds very bad way of saying it, but I think it's pretty rubbish looking. I personally don't like it. However, you may like it because it does give you a little image of what it's there. So I can see that's an image of me for a YouTube video, and I can see that's an image that I created for my blog. So I'm going to show you how it works and see if it's going to be beneficial to you. There is benefits to it, if I'm being completely honest with you. It's just I wish it looked better, but there is a way you can make it look a bit better, or you might like that look. If you like that look, that's perfectly fine. If you don't, what you can do instead, you can right click on it and just put hide previews. And then what that does, it just puts it as a little icon there instead, so you don't have them. And I think that looks better, but then at the same time, I'm contradicting myself now, is that although it looks better, you may forget that it's there with that. So at least, although it doesn't look so great, I personally think when you consider previews, at least you'll be able to see it's there. So which way you decide to have it, it doesn't matter. Whichever way you have it, the functionality is still all there. So how it tends to work is when you download a file, it would then go into here. It keeps two by the looks of it. I don't think it allows you to do any more. I won't do that for now. So it puts them here. So you've downloaded a file, for example. Let me just minimize that a bit, sorry. So you've downloaded a file, for example, in here, and then it will put it in there. So I will put it back to the show previews for now. So what you can do, the idea is you can quickly access them again. Now, if you click on it, I'm using a Chromebook, so I'm using a mouse, but it would be the same with a touchpad if you're using a Chromebook. But if you click on it once, nothing happens. So what you need to do is if you want to open it, you need to double click on it. And if you double click on it, it then opens up like that. So it'll open up on the program that it's for. This is an image, so it's opened up the image program. So that's what happens when you double click on it. If you right click on it, you've got the options either to show in folder, which is quite a good option because if you haven't saved that in your downloads folder and you want to know where it is, show in folder. I do like show in folder options because it lets you know where certain files are. So that's quite good. So it shows you in the folder. Another option, if you right click on it, is you can copy the image, which is fine. You can remove the image or you can pin the image. So if you pin the image, what that will do is then it will then put it up there. So you do that if it was something important. The only thing I would say with that is they could have done it slightly better because personally speaking, now I've pinned that image, could they not give me another image here? Remove that and give me another image. And then if I ever unpin that, put it back down there rather than me having to do it manually. So if now I've pinned that, I don't need it there as well. So if I remove that, then it shows that. But where's the other previous ones? So I think that could be a bit better. I'm going to unpin it because I don't need it. Things where I think this may be useful. Say, for example, you're going on holiday and you booked flight tickets. And flight tickets today, generally speaking, are something you receive by email and then you just scan it when you get to the airport. It's good for things like that for when you're on your computer at home because it will let you... It's possible you will have to reverse that flight ticket again if your friends ask you what day is the flight, what time is the flight, what time you get in here. So I do think there's benefits from that in that point of view. So it's good for things like that. Now, one thing I would say is another good thing as well. At the moment, it's just showing them, but you can, if you open up files. Say, for example, like I was saying about a plane ticket, if it hadn't already put that down there, you could find the file. I'm not going to do a plain ticket. I'll just do this Android file here. You could find the file, right click on it, and then put pin to shelf. Now, pin to shelf, quite confusing because you might assume that it means pin it to this shelf, and you wouldn't want to pin it to this shelf. But I assume what it will do, it will see what type of file it is, and it will then go, yes, that just needs to be pinned down here. So pin to shelf, and then you'll see it's put it in there. So it's quite good for that. So you could do more, I would assume. Pin to shelf. There we go. Let's close that. Let's have a look. And then because you pinned it to shelf, it doesn't show it here. It shows them there. So that's quite good. And that will then give you quick access. Sorry, it's gone to my other display. That's why I have to put it over. Quick access to the files that you pinned. So yes, it may be good for some people. Other people might not like it. One thing, although Chrome OS is extremely lightweight and it's fast and it's fine, I'm sure this has slightly had an impact on performance because these files need to be ready to load for you very quickly. Maybe not, maybe not. I personally think it's okay. I just wish it looked a little better. Like I said, you can click hide previews and it shows there. Do I think it's something a lot of people will use a lot? Not really. But is it bad that it's an option for people who will? Of course not, no. So hopefully if that's something you want to use, then this video has been useful. If it has, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And thanks for watching.